Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Hour. My name is Dylan.
And I'm Chantel. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about English for daily conversation.
That's right. We will teach you real sentences that you can actually use. These are sentences for everyday life.
Exactly. We want to help you speak English with confidence. We will use simple words and short sentences. This is perfect for beginners.
And we will go slow. You can listen and you can repeat the sentences. Ready, Dylan?
I'm ready. Let's start with our first topic, greetings and small talk.
Okay, so how do we say hello to people? The most common word is hello.
Right. Hello. You can also say hi. Hi is a little more informal and friendly. Let's practice. Repeat after us. Hello.
Hi.
Good. You can also greet people based on the time of day. For example, in the morning, you say good morning.
Yes, and in the afternoon, you say good afternoon. In the evening, you say good evening.
Let's practice those. Repeat. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Excellent. Now, after you say hello, it's polite to ask, how are you?
Right. How are you? You can answer in many ways. A simple answer is, I'm fine, thank you. Or, I'm good, thanks.
And it's very important to ask the other person too. You can say, and you?
Let's try a small conversation. I will start. Hello, Chantel.
Hi, Dylan. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. And you?
I'm very well. Thanks for asking.
See? Very simple and friendly. Now you try. Listen and repeat. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
And you?
Great job. Another topic for small talk is the weather. It's a very safe and common topic.
That's true. You can say, it's a beautiful day today. Or if the weather is not good, it's raining.
Or maybe it's so cold today.
Let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. It's a beautiful day today.
It's raining.
It's so cold today.
Those are great for talking about the weather. Now, let's go back to asking people how they are. How are you is common, but there are other more informal ways to ask. Very good. You are doing a wonderful job.
All right, let's move to our next topic, at a cafe. Many people love going to cafes.
Yes, it's a great place to practice English. So you walk into a cafe. You go to the counter. What do you say?
You can say, hello, can I have a coffee, please? The word please is very important. It's polite.
That's right. Or you can say, I would like a tea, please. I would like is another polite way to order.
Let's practice ordering. Repeat after us. Can I have a coffee, please?
I would like a tea, please.
Good. The person working at the cafe, the barista, might ask you a question. They might say, anything else?
This means, do you want more things? If you don't want anything else, you can say, no, thank you, that's all.
If you do want something else, like a cake, you can say, yes, a piece of cake, please.
Okay, another question the barista might ask is, for here or to go?
Right. For here means you will drink your coffee in the cafe. To go means you will take your coffee with you.
So you can answer, for here, please, or to go, please. Let's practice. Repeat. For here, please.
To go, please.
Wonderful. Finally, you need to pay. You can ask, how much is that?
They will tell you the price. For example, that's $5. When you give them the money, you can say, here you are.
Let's do a practice conversation. Dylan, you are the customer and I am the barista.
Okay, sounds fun.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hello, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you. That's all.
Okay, for here or to go?
For here, please. How much is that?
That's $4.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
That was great. You see, it's like a small script you can learn.
Now let's talk about making plans. This is when you want to invite a friend to do something with you.
A very useful skill. You can ask a question like, do you want to get coffee this weekend?
Or you can make a suggestion. Let's go to the park.
Let's practice those invitations. Repeat. Do you want to get coffee?
Let's go to the park.
Now your friend can say yes or no. If they say yes, they might say, yes, that sounds great.
Right, or sure, I'd love to. This is a very positive response.
But sometimes people are busy. They might say no. It's important to be polite. You can say, I'm sorry, I can't, I'm busy.
Or maybe another time. This shows you are still interested, but you cannot go right now.
Let's practice the responses. First, the positive ones. Repeat. Yes, that sounds great.
Sure, I'd love to.
Now the polite no. Repeat. I'm sorry, I can't, I'm busy.
Maybe another time?
Perfect. Let's try a short conversation. Chantel, do you want to go to the cinema on Saturday?
Oh, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm visiting my family on Saturday.
No problem. How about Sunday?
Sunday sounds great. I am free on Sunday.
Excellent. So you see, you can talk about different options.
Okay, our next section is about talking about your day. It's very common for friends to ask about your day.
A simple question is, how was your day?
You can answer simply, "It was good, thanks." Or, "It was okay." Or maybe, "It was busy."
Another common question is, what did you do today? This asks about your activities.
To answer, you can use the simple past tense. For example, I went to work, or I studied English.
I met my friends for lunch. Let's practice some of these simple answers. Repeat after me. I went to work.
I studied English.
I met my friends for lunch.
Good work. Let's try a conversation. Hey Dylan, how was your day?
It was good. A little busy, but good. How was your day?
It was relaxing. I read a book in the park.
Oh, that sounds nice.
It was. What did you do today?
I went to the supermarket and then I cooked dinner.
That's a productive day.
It was. This is a very natural conversation that friends have every day.
Okay, for our last topic today, let's learn how to ask for help. It is okay to ask for help when you need it.
Yes, it is very important. To get someone's attention politely, you can say, "Excuse me."
After you say, "Excuse me," you can ask your question. For example, if you are lost, you can ask for directions. "Excuse me, where is the train station?"
Or, "Excuse me, how do I get to the library?" Let's practice these questions. Repeat. "Excuse me, where is the train station?"
"Excuse me, what time is it?"
Very good. After someone helps you, always remember to say thank you.
Yes, you can say thank you or thanks a lot. And when someone says thank you to you, you can reply, "You're welcome," or "No problem."
Let's try one more conversation. Chantel, I will ask you for help.
Okay, go ahead.
Excuse me, is there a post office near here?
Yes, there is. Go straight and turn left on Main Street. It's next to the bank.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And that is all the time we have for today. We covered a lot of useful phrases.
We did. We learned greetings, how to order at a cafe, how to make plans, how to talk about your day, and how to ask for help.
The most important thing is to practice. Try to use one or two of these new phrases every day.
That is great advice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Thank you all so much for listening to the English Hour. My name is Dylan.
And I'm Chantel. We will see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye everyone. Happy learning.